Today we're opening an Ascendant Heroes mini tin. The Pokemon on it are Togepi and Totodile. In this mini tin, you get an art card and a sticker. The information card features facts about both of them, including height and type. It also contains 2 packs. Starting off with Erika's Oddish, Van Rotom, Ralts, Riolu, Dragonair, Mystery Garden, Weavile, Stunfisk, King Gambit, and Ens Reshiram. Then Marill, Ensarua, Erika's Oddish, Fan Rotom, Golduck, Erika's Gloom, Hops Cramorant, Raboot, Slurpuff for Lark, and Team Rocket's Executor.